अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं डेली पाकिस्तान और मैं हूं ब्रिस्बेन ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आपका होस्ट खालिद भट्टी। आज हम ब्रिस्बेन के कन्वेंशन सेंटर में जमा हैं जहां पे शौकत खानम कैंसर हॉस्पिटल कराची के लिए फंड रेजिंग का प्रोग्राम है। आज हमारे साथ पार्लियामेंट के एक मिनिस्टर भी मौजूद हैं, आइए उनसे बात करते हैं। He's going, Mr. Duncan, how are you today?
I'm very good. Looking forward to a fantastic performance.
Thank you so much for coming over. Thank you so much for appreciating the Pakistani community. This is absolutely a great cause. You want to say something about it?
Yeah, it's a fantastic cause. I know the Pakistani community has been raising money in the past for this cancer hospital, and of course in Australia it means a lot because we all remember Imran Khan, the 1992 World Cup, and the Pakistan team when they were successful in the World Cup, donating all the funds to the cancer hospital. So it definitely resonates here in Australia, and it's fantastic to see the Pakistan community showing their support this evening.
Have you seen the World Cup final which Imran Khan won the World Cup? How
I was
excited?
very excited. I was cheering for Pakistan because it was Pakistan-England. Unfortunately, Australia didn't make the finals that year, so it was a fantastic win, and there was some sensational bowling from Wasim Akram, and the whole team played really, really well. Some really good batting from Inzamam al-Haq as well.
Do you remember Wasim Akram just came last year, 2 years ago over here? I'm sure you were in that event as well when we had the same kind of event for the Shaukat Khanum fundraising.
Yes, I was at that event, and I was very, very lucky to meet Wasim for the first time, and we talked about some of his cricketing feats, and also it's wonderful that he came and joined the community to raise funds for the hospital as well.
Thank you so much, Mr. Duncan. We really, really appreciate your presence. You are always so kind to Pakistani community. I would like to say you thank you on the behalf of Delhi Pakistan management, the whole community of Pakistan in Australia. Thank you so much for associating with us, and thank you so much for coming over here and being the part of this noble cause and noble event. Thank you so much. Have you got any message for the Pakistani community here?
We have a fantastic Pakistan community right here in Brisbane. You're doing fantastic work and keep working hard to support the community here and also back home.
Thank you so much for your time today. This is the cancer hospital. We're doing the fundraising over here. Across the world, all over the world, there are so many people. They are just affected badly with the cancer. So this is the name of the hospital, Shaukat Khanum Cancer Hospital. And you would like to add something?
I think definitely representation of youth amongst particular political events are incredibly important as well. On behalf of that, I think young people have so many valid issues that they experience in their life, including cancer being one of them as well. And I think young people should be given the opportunity to have their say too. So it's really great to see so many young people around here for this event as well. So thank you so much for that.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, you're absolutely right. I can see there are a lot of youngsters here and there. Wherever I see, I can see the young people, Pakistani community. We really, really appreciate your presence here, and thank you so much.